This nation is moving together. As I speak about my particular State Department, which is the State Department of Housing and Urban Development, we are looking ahead and we are not looking at all these disruptions that are coming around us. We are telling ourselves that in the next 5 years, we have to build 1 million houses in the next 5 years. We'll build that, and we are committed completely that we do that, because in this we shall create jobs for our young people. We will also help all the manufacturers of building materials, and this country will move forward. We know this is a program that will take this country forward, on top of removing all the slums that we have in this country. So that is something we are very committed to, and we retaliate once again. As a government, we are moving forward, and we see development and we see prosperity for this nation.